Welcome to camelbacktrading.org. This is the review of April 17th, 2026. Using our proprietary Camelback TradingView market profile, let's review today's price action and look at what is ahead for tomorrow. Both indices started the session with gap ups, value higher, and new all-time highs established during the overnight session. While both indices closed their respective gaps during the opening period, their paths diverged shortly after. The Nasdaq found easier momentum toward new highs, while the S&P fell just a couple of ticks short of its overnight high before stalling. After taking the initial balance high, the market dynamics shifted midday. One time framing lower began, followed by an aggressive afternoon period that broke the initial balance lows and took out the overnight lows on both products. Price eventually established a new low for the day and rotated for the rest of the afternoon. We printed an afternoon rally high, which is a level to pay close attention to tomorrow. In the S&P, this level acts as significant resistance where we saw a spike earlier on Wednesday. The Nasdaq is currently holding the prior trend at a key distribution, while the S&P took back all distributions from yesterday but left a poor low. Neither index left significant excess, and both closed as neutral extreme days, finishing below the initial balance low. Looking ahead to the plan for tomorrow, the S&P still has the overnight all-time high as a target, but we ended the day with value unchanged. This indicates an area of indecision. Sellers will want to trade below today's afternoon rally high to target the daily low, which would place the daily time frame into balance. For the Nasdaq, even if bears take today's low, they will need to deal with two gaps below to continue momentum. Taking the low would put the daily into balance, which is often healthy for the bulls to take a breath before resuming a move. If bears cannot hold the afternoon rally high, bulls will look to attack the value area high to continue moving value up. Keep in mind that the market remains strong. Placing the daily back into balance is a healthy development that can ultimately make the market even stronger. As we head into the final day of the week, bears will want to get closer to the weekly lows to try and put the weekly time frame into balance next week, while bulls will fight to prevent that. So let the market profile and the MGI guide your setups. Don't start with a bias. Let the data guide you. Remember, if you're going to buy an account with Tradeify, use code CB2724 and help us donate to St. Jude's Hospital 20% this time. Also, don't forget you can get this education daily inside the Camelback Trading Room, including our daily webinar and our custom market profile for TradingView. Join us at camelbacktrading.org. Be safe and trade well.